Hey everybody, welcome to Forex analysis for Synergy FX. Today we're going to be looking at three pairs, and it is Thursday, March 29th. So let's get started. Foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk. Before you decide to trade foreign exchange, we encourage you to consider your investment objectives, your risk tolerance, and trading experience. It is possible to lose some or all of your initial investment, so don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Seek advice from an independent financial or tax advisor, and all information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as trading advice or counsel. So, today with the euro, take a look at where we are at right now, daily charts. We did see a pretty, not strong I would say, but moderate up push by traders this week. We failed to close above this level at 1.33565, but we did have some buying here. I said in the video yesterday that I thought that the euro might be pretty stagnant, but we did see a pretty strong move. I was trading the Aussie all day, and I'll talk about the Aussie a little bit later, but the euro is still pushing up right now. Right now we're at 1.33536, and the RSI is just coming into overbought territory. So RSI is something I've started to begin looking at, not just as a basis for placing trades, but a range for placing trades. So we are overbought right now, so long euro, if we do close above these levels, won't be a trade I'll be looking to do. I will be looking to enter a short once we start to close below certain levels. If we do close above the highs here, and we do start to close below, then I will be entering short. So the close here is at 1.33617. So that's one level I'll be looking towards. I do think that the euro will eventually push above that, if not today, maybe tomorrow for a little bit, but I do think that we should see a beginning of a wave down. And that's kind of hard to picture just based on the fact that we've been pushing up for a few days now. But I think that the euro is still in its downtrend, and this is not just a correction of the up move. I think that, or this is a correction of the up move, and I think that eventually it will start to push downward. So as I said, I want to take a look at the Aussie as well. Today for the Aussie, I started shorting it around, I started buying it around this area. The RSI was in oversold territory for quite some time, and the Aussie does tend to do this where it will continue to trend even though we do seem to be in oversold conditions. So people started buying around 1.3255, and we did see a strong push up in the last half of a day or so. So we did start to close above these levels. This is one level I was looking at 1.3952, and we did start to close above that. But like I said, since we are entering overbought territory for the Aussie on the hourly charts, I won't be looking to enter long, and I will be looking to enter shorts if we do reach the 100 and 200 moving average. Those will be good levels to define my risk. Currently, we are about 28 pips away, so not too far. I do think eventually we'll reach them. We still have a little bit to run, and those will be good levels to define my risk at. So if anything, I think we should see a rotation down from the euro and the Aussie in the next few days. Like I said in the last video, I do like short the S&P, which will provide selling pressure on both of these pairs. So long trades, in my opinion, are going to be riskier than short trades in the near term at least. So the last pair that I also want to take a look at is just based on the fact that it is in strongly overbought territory. Right now the RSI is at 72.87-ish and moving. So I think that a possible rotation down from the pound is in order. I did say earlier in the week that the pound would push up, and it did, but I think that we could have possibly ran that course and that a correction toward the downside, possibly to a retest of the 200 moving average, is in effect, and if not, possibly a move even further down. So I will be looking short all three of these pairs, and in terms of targets, I'll be looking at recent lows for all three, and I do think that these are corrections of larger moves. So the lows is what I'll be looking at, closing below them. And my next video will be on Sunday. And so good luck trading tomorrow until 5, off for the weekend. And yeah, good luck trading. Thank you very much for watching. And feel free to follow us at SynergyFX. Thank you.